Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to use flash fill option in Microsoft Office, that is Microsoft Excel. So we have some entries here and we will learn what is the use of flash fill. So the flash fill option is available in the latest version of Microsoft Excel. As you can see, the Microsoft version 2019 is here with me. So we have first column, we have certain entries over here, the file name, the random file name is there. So we want to just fill corresponding entries in the next column. So we have made an attachment regarding to these files. So we have a set number corresponding to this file. So we are going to fill all these column with the help of flash fill. For using this, we have to select at least two entries so that to give them the pattern how it works. So we will select these two entries and stretch this corner point to the point where we want to just flash fill. First it will fill entries just repeatedly as it has in memory. So now we have to change the option. We will now use the flash fill. First I want to show you that how these entries have filled, just repeating the numbers, and we want to convert it into the corresponding file name. So we will now select the flash fill option. By clicking this, you will see the on entries have changed. These entries now are corresponding to the entries in the first field. So we have this 80, 80, 79, 79. So all the fields are now changed according to the first field. So this flash fill options will help you in filling the data record corresponding to another field, and so you don't have to copy all these things in the another field. So the flash fill option is available only in the new Microsoft Office 2019 onwards, so you can use this option. Have a great day. Subscribe to our channel if you like this. Subscribe our channel and like our video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.